everyone, my name is Hriddhi Tarwani. I am a final year student studying in MVP's KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. I am going to explain about a tool named Curalead. This video is made under the guidance of Dheeraj Pirali sir. I am going to cover all these content: introduction to Curalead, need of Curalead, working of Curalead tool, real-time example, features of the tool, advantages and disadvantages of tool, future scope. So let's start. Introduction to Curalead. What is Curalead? Curalead is a tool that helps e-commerce business and online retailers to improve the visibility, enabling customers and potential consumers to discover the product and to improve business revenue at a higher scale. It helps brand to use social content and social audiences to sell more effectively online. That is, it helps brand to promote their product socially on different platform and to sell their product on that platform. Till now, over 1,000 brands and retailers, including LG, Samsung, Nestle, use Curalead to turn images and video into shoppable content on their sites, social channels, ads, and emails. Using Curalead, customers are able to find business or brand right at the moment of discovery and to easily make the purchase. That is, as in when a customer discovers a product, that product can be easily purchased using Curalead features. With such visibility, customer who sees images and videos of the product can easily discover the business. This is the home page of Curalead tool. Now let's see what is the need of this tool. Curalead will help to maximize potential of brands images and videos, that is, visual content, by connecting business to brands images directly. That is, connecting images of brand and services. It will help brand to monitor their website. Using Curalead, brands can easily monitor their website. The growth, loss, etc. can be easily monitored. Brands can reach to customer with famous social media sites. Using social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, brands can easily reach to their customer. It helps brand to sell their product socially. Using social media site, brands can easily sell their products online. It helps in marketing about a brand through social media. Using this tool, brand can easily promote their business on social media platforms. That's all about need of this tool. Now let's see working of this tool. So as we saw in earlier slide also, this is the home page of Curalead. This is the login page of Curalead. So after creating the account, this dashboard will be appear to the user. This is a simple example of connecting and brand's Instagram account to Curalead. So as we can see here, these are the simple steps which we have to follow. After that, a brand's Instagram account can be easily accessed and monitored using Curalead. These are 4 simple steps which we have to follow. Step 1. Connect our brand's Instagram account to Curalead. After that, step 2. Connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. And after that, step 3. We have to do some changes in our Instagram account. And after that, last step is to reconnect your Facebook account to Curalead. So after following this simple 4 steps, our brand's Instagram account can be easily connected to Curalead. So after connecting the Instagram account to Curalead, we can easily monitor our Instagram account, that is our brand's Instagram account. We can monitor the gain and the loss in the number of followers. traffic, etc. We can even generate report in the form of charts. As we can see here, it is showing us numerically the number of followers, that is change in followers, reach, engagement rate, etc. It is also showing us a chart which shows the change in number of followers. Along with that, it can also show us, like it can also generate a weekly report which will show us the number of followers gained and lost. Not only gain and loss in followers, it can also generate the report according to age, so that brand can make decision on the basis of which age group they need to more focus on. Now let's see an example of this tool. So Curalate has one feature called click to buy, in that as and when a image is discovered and if a customer wants to purchase that product can be easily purchased using the feature called click to buy. In that, all the purchase details of the product or the brand details can be easily attached to the image. We have to click to that image and we will be redirected to brand's website and we can easily purchase that product. So we can say that customers can easily go from inspiration, that is discovery of the product, to action, that is purchase of that product. Now let's see what are the features of this tool. It allows monitoring of website, that is, as we have seen in our earlier slides also, it allows us to easily monitor everything using this tool. Like we can monitor our followers, traffic, etc. We can easily generate charts, and we can easily convert those charts into report. We can even promote our brand socially on different social media platforms. It also helps the brand to engage more and more customers to their website. Now let's see what are the advantages of this tool. Curalate helps the online retailers to improve their visibility of the product. So using Curalate, online retailers and businesses can improve the visibility of the product by promoting the product on different platforms, through which we can reach to more and more customers. It enables customers and potential consumers to discover the product and to buy the product easily. It enables brands and agencies to measure, monitor, and grow brand engagement on visual social media platform. That is, it enables brand to measure and monitor their website on the basis of different factors and to engage more and more customers. It improves customers' experience. It helps business to grow and to increase the revenue at higher scale. The software works by connecting visual content, that is image, video, to product and services. It makes purchase available after the moment of discovery. Disadvantages of this tool. The main disadvantage of this tool is it is not available free. We have to buy monthly subscription. There are less tutorials available from where the user can learn and understand how to use this tool. There is no free trial available. Some features are there which are not present in this tool. Future scope. A free trial can be made available for this tool. More tutorial videos can be made for new customers to understand how to use this tool. More features can be added in future. Thank you.